1 2-pound can, Campbell's cream of mushroom. 2-pound London broil. Petite baby carrots. Petite baby potatoes. Coming in with 1 packet of our Lipton onion soup mix. Some ranch all-American seasoning. One packet brown gravy mix. Beautiful. Now I'm just going to drizzle this with a little bit of beef broth, and we're just doing the low sodium kind. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. And we're gonna finish it up with some mild banana peppers. We are gonna use the brine, and there's not too much left here in our banana pepper jar, but I am just going to dump the remaining banana peppers and brine right here on top. Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna put this in my oven. I'm gonna cook it on low and slow, 250 for 5 hours. Bum, 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 bum. All right, guys, we put a bigger sheet pan on the bottom and another sheet pan on top because we didn't have foil. Check that out. Wow. We can kind of mix in our gravy, all this stuff, but these veggies are gonna be so delicious and nicely coated. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I have a feeling this is gonna be delicioso, as Dora the Explorer would say. And look at that. It's just shredding, because the low and slow is the way to go, y'all. And doesn't have to be in the crock pot. You can do it in your oven. Grab some of this meat. Delicious. Was it the London broil, Marty? Top roast? Heck yeah. Taters. Just some delicious little taters here. Tate. And some carrots. Yummy. Oh my goodness. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Here we go. Some of that delicious gravy. Wow. Incredible flavor. Wow, you guys, this is so easy, so good. You've got to try it.